The home inspection is the best investment you can make when considering buying a home in today's market, but thousands of prospective home buyers are often forced into not having the freedom to get the protection that a home inspection provides. Are you one of those prospective home buyers feeling overwhelmed by the daunting task of inspecting a property without any home repair knowledge or even access to a professional home inspector? Well, don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back from making one of the most important decisions of your life. Introducing our comprehensive course, Inspect Your Next Home Like a Pro. Let it be clear, nothing is more important when buying a home or evaluating a big home improvement project than to have the home evaluated by a professional home inspector. However, unfortunately, in some cases, you may not be able to secure your family's safety with the guidance of a professional home inspector. In this course, we understand the pain points you face as a home buyer. We know how crucial it is to feel confident about your purchase and avoid the potential money pit. That's why we've designed this program specifically to address your concerns and provide you with practical solutions. We'll guide you through a step-by-step journey, breaking down the home inspection process through accessible modules that anyone can follow. No prior home repair knowledge is necessary, for our goal here is to empower you with the skills and confidence to inspect your next home like a seasoned professional. You will learn how to identify major concerns, assess the conditions of various systems and structures, recognize potential safety hazards as well. We'll cover exterior and interior inspections, plumbing, electrical, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, and more. With each lesson, you will gain valuable insights that will help you make informed decisions and even negotiate better deals. We understand that in some cases, time is of the essence in today's competitive market. That's why our course has been meticulously designed to provide you with the most relevant information in a condensed format. Each lesson is focused, efficient, and easy to follow, ensuring that you can quickly grasp the essentials without sacrificing depth of understanding. Upon completing this course, you'll possess the knowledge and tools to inspect your next home like a pro. You will have the confidence to ask the right questions, spot red flags, and make informed decisions. While we always recommend including a professional home inspection in the home buying or home improvement process, this program will give you a fighting chance when faced with the challenge of having to waive the home inspection contingency or even being without the aid of a professional home inspector when evaluating a big home improvement project. Don't let the fear of the unknown stand in the way of finding your dream home or pursuing your big home improvement project. Enroll and inspect your next home like a pro today and embark on the journey of home ownership with confidence. Our program will provide you two choices to take advantage of. Your first choice is lifetime access to the training program, which is your best deal. If you'd rather go through a month-by-month membership, we have that opportunity available as well. Both of these options provide you a free 7-day trial. You cannot afford to at least try it out. And as part of this offer, you'll have the exclusive access to our private Facebook group, and through our members-only training portal, you'll have weekly Q&A sessions to join others that are on the same journey as you. We truly look forward to helping you enjoy your dream home. Please enroll and take advantage of our training program today.